Vlogmas day 12? 12? 13? 12? 13. Yeah. We are about to go out to get Christmas decorations and to look for a pair of skates for Aiden, because we're gonna go skating lots and potentially later. And yeah, you get to come with us for a little bit. Woo! Yay, Christmas. We're getting decorations for our house. Oh, we should look for a flower. Maybe here? Yeah, salt. Pendants. Granola. It's time to put something on top of the tree, but we're with this one. So it's not a star, it's not an angel, it's a bird. It's a cardinal. See? So we're gonna put that on top of our tree, just a little clip. So woohoo! Here we go. Wait, I have to help you. I have to do it too. I'll hold the head.
It's a bit top heavy.
He's sideways. Hold on.
Yeah, you hold the branch. There we are.
Yay!
That looks really well.
Aw, so cute. Now our full tree. Switch that. Yeah. Do you like it?
It's overwhelmingly big.
The bird?
The tree.
Yes. Our tree is massive. I like it. It's cute. It's so high up though.
Yeah. We'll need to put something around it. This is a bit bare.
Maybe we should like loop this piece. Yeah. And then put them in it. What do you think?
I'll see when we get back. We can confer on the way.
And also, this side of the tree is looking a little bare because
somebody broke a bauble.
I may or may not have broken a bauble.
You did.
No, it's a may or may not type situation here. But now we're going out to get the pair of ice skates because we couldn't find any earlier. Not for Aiden.
And then possibly more decorations.
Yeah, and possibly more decorations. No. I'm trying to load a video from not yesterday but the day before, and it's being super difficult because it's right around the 15-minute mark. Yay. See you in a little bit. We'll be probably walking. See you walking. Goodbye. Hello. We're on the street now. And it's also raining, so that's pleasant. See? Yeah. We tried going to the thrift store to get Aiden some skates. That didn't work because apparently every single thrift store in Toronto is sold out. It appears. They have the really tiny ones, and they have female figure skates, which for some reason he doesn't want to wear. But yeah, we've also been to the store to get fun, exciting things like flour and cheese, because we're almost out, and we need flour for our impromptu Christmas dinner on Thursday. And we also went to the dollar store to get some more Christmas decorations, which we will show you when we get home, because like I said, it's raining and wet. And we also got some beverages from the liquor store for a gift for my parents and for ourselves for Thursday. So yeah, we're gonna go now because it's wet. Very wet. We're drowned rats. Goodbye. It's Christmas decoration time. So the first thing that we have is this thing. Ooh, it's like a, I think you saw us getting it in the shop, but we're gonna put it up there. So yeah, okay. You can stay right there. Sure, on an angle, that'll work. Okay. Now we time for the finished product. Next item, Christmassy table runner. Oh, here it comes. Okay, I'll do this side. In the middle, goes in the middle. Because it's a table runner, you see. Pull a little bit your way. Because I still have a lot. Hey! Ah, too much. Perfect.
And wait.
Messy. Good. The little snowman. He glows. Ooh. I'll just leave him there for now. Excellent. So now we have Christmassy table with the table runner, Mr. Snowman. We have the Christmas tree with all the lights and the stockings. And oh, the cardinal. Yay! And the garland over the cupboards.
And Turkish delight.
Which means nothing to me, but
When do you want to try it?
Thursday.
Wait until Thursday?
Yeah, we'll wait till Thursday.
Split the bar.
Yeah. Well, I like it.
We'll find out.
And we also...
This is chocolate covered. You don't always have chocolate covered.
Okay. And we also got some interesting things for Thursday, but we'll wait till Thursday to show you guys. Thursday, by the way, is when we're celebrating our Christmas. Just Aiden and I. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so because our apartment is not Christmassy enough with all the stuff we just put up, I decided to make some snowflakes. Yay! So I'm making some of these ones, which don't look like anything right now, but they are something, so I'll have to show you that later. And a bunch of these. And then I really want to hang them from the ceiling later, but we'll see. Also, while doing that, we are watching Broadchurch, the second season. I don't know if any of you have seen the first season, but it is good, right?
Very good.
Yeah. So...
The season's been pretty
Ooh,
big.
it just got really dark. Let me try to add a light. Light. Haha. Hey.
Oh.
Brightness. Too bright. Okay. Yes. So Broadchurch, second season. We're almost done it. We're pretty much just going straight through because it's so interesting and I really want to know what happens. Right?
Pretty much.
It's every time I turn to you.
Sorry.
It's all your fault. Darn it, I did it again. Light. Register. Hey. Okay. Anyway, we're going to continue doing that. I'm going to make more snowflakes. Wow. Just finished the second season of Broadchurch. And... yeah. Don't want to give anything away, but... yeah. That's pretty much all I have to say about that. Just have to watch it yourself. And then we also did Instagram, and here are some of the snowflakes I made. the way. See? These are the ones I was talking about. I think they're really cool. My sister showed me how to make those. And then I just made some of these, which are less great, but I still like them. See? And then hopefully we'll hang those from the ceiling or in front of the window or something so it actually looks like it's snowing, because it's not. It's not even cold out. So yeah. And we've only had to re-put the holly up once, which is good. See, it's still up there. Yay! And it's late, so we're probably gonna go to bed now / soon. So good night. Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 13. Merry Christmas. Bye.